In 41 years, I've seen a lot of things change, but the most interesting part is just enjoying nature and the great outdoors. My name and title is Mitchell Presley. I'm the owner of Midstar Timber. Of course, as you can see, we're a harvesting operation. We not only cut the wood, we also haul it as well. Talk about what's our relationship with Thompson Tractor. They have a wonderful sales team. And those guys work hard to stay in touch with the customers and try to keep their pulse on what's going on past just the sale. They're focused on the customers. They work hard to keep your business.